The question says which combination will give the strongest ionic bond formation? Which combination of these ions, cation as well as anion, will produce strongest ionic bond? Always keep in mind, higher the charge of cation or anion, higher is the electrostatic force of attraction and stronger is the ionic bond formation. Okay, stronger bond is formed. If a more electrostatic force of attraction is there, how we can get? When the charge is very high, when positive charge as well as negative charge is very high, then electrostatic force of attraction will also be very high and stronger bond formation will be taking place. So we can see the charge. So we have +1 charge, -1 charge. Okay, single bond formation. In this case +1, it is -2 is there. In this case we have two bonds. You can mention this is what O, it is Na is there, and this is what Na is there, like this. We form Na2O, Na2O. Okay. Now Mg2 plus Cl minus is there, +2 charge, -1 charge. Then in this case MgCl2 we are getting MgCl2. But if you go for the D option, you can see +2 charge, -2 charge is there. In this case we get MgO is there. Anyway we are getting double bond, Mg double bond O is there. So as the bond order increases, bond strength also increases. In this case single bond, NaCl is there, NaCl single bond. In this case we are also getting single bond. In this case also we are getting single bond, Mg it is Cl, it is also Cl. But we have in this case double bond because more charge is there, more electrostatic force of attraction is there, so bond strength will be very high. One is metal, another is non-metal. We can say ionic bond. Option D is correct. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to the channel.